Hey gang, welcome back, or welcome full stop if it's your first time here. My name is Jo. We're gonna do some nail stuff. I'm going to be using Gel Perfection, Pink Margarita and Clear Builder Gel. We're also going to be using some other stuff which I'll tell you when we get there. I've got some bubbles made up already. I'm going to start with base coat, the first base from Gel Perfection, which you can buy all their stuff at diamondglitters.co.uk. That's going in the lamp for a cure, and now we are taking the Pink Margarita and we're going to do a bit at the bottom and then just sort of swirl some up. Well, they're not swirls, they're kind of just splodges. No rhyme or reason, just in a kind of swirly, yeah, splodgy kind of whatever you want. I'm doing a tutorial that I saw by Celina Ryden of the smoothie milkshake nails, and I just thought it looked so cool, so had to try it. So that had a cure, and now we are, what is this? This is Clear Builder Gel. We're going to do a thin coat of that. Not going to cure it yet because we're going to take this fimo, which is also from diamondglitters.co.uk, with tiny bits of fruit. I'm going to use those tiny little strawberries, don't know if you can see them there. And we're going to pop them into that wet layer of builder gel, and try and keep it, when you're encapsulating things, you want to keep the bulk, you know, the bigger objects towards the center, so that when you encapsulate it, you can keep the sides nice and thin still, and not have like a big old bulky ass nail, because nobody likes them. I don't anyway. I'm having some trouble with scissors there. Just cutting some up, and now I just should I fuck about or faff about? I'm going to say faff about, with where I want these, trying different things, and until I was happy, and then that goes in the lamp for a cure. And I was getting to the end of that sentence quickly because I had something to say. What did I have to say? Poop. I can't remember. Yesterday was a weird day. It was Sunday yesterday, and it got to about 9:30 at night, and I realised I hadn't eaten all day, but I had drunk a shit ton of Baileys, so I'm a bit out of sorts today. I was singing and butchering songs really loudly, and then I'll finish that story in a minute. Should we talk about what we're doing? Okay. I'm now taking coconut builder gel. It's like a milky shit, kind of coconutty, really, funnily enough. Great for like milk bath nails. Not that I've ever done those. Maybe one day I will. And I'm just going to run it in some areas. I'm going to make sure that some of it goes over parts of the strawberries. So it's going to look like they're inside this milkshake. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Milkshake slash smoothie, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, just covering certain areas of them, not the whole strawberry, and you see it tones it down. It looks like it's inside and gives it a bit of depth and dimension. That had I think I had a half cure there. I didn't have a half cure, the nail did. And I'm just adding some more just to try and even out the nail, so that when we come to encapsulate it, there's not too much work to do. That was cured. Was it cured? Yes, it was. And I'm now going to take the Pink Margarita, and there is no skill level to what I'm doing now. I'm literally just splattering bits on, and I forget. Normally when I have gloves on, I'll wipe my brush on that part of my thumb, but I didn't have gloves on, so I ended up a bit sticky. So I'm just prodding and poking, just so we've got some darker pink bits to give it a bit more dimension still, and a bit of detail, so it's like kind of, you know, chunky bits of, I don't know, floaty strawberry, whatever is inside. Strawberry and milk, and maybe ice cream. I love an ice cream float, like what is it you have? Anyway, so yeah, I was butchering songs last night. Oh, now, see, I'm never going to get to the end of that story. Good job it's not that interesting. I'm now taking the bubble mix. I'm going to give it a really good shake, which I think I go off camera and give it a bit more of a vigorous shake. And then we're going to take come on video. We're going to take some Alaska. I'm going to talk really slow till the video's caught up with me. We're going to take some Alaska. There we go. And I'm going to pop it wherever I want there to be bubbles, because we're going to put the bubble mix over this before we cure it. I've just mixed water and some fairy up liquid, some washing up liquid dish soap. And that's all I've done. Some people use isopropyl alcohol and then add cuticle oil. I can't be fucked with that. I can't be bothered. I had to get out of my seat as it was to go and make it. I don't want to be faffing around with too much, you know? Although if you do make it, I suppose, with isopropyl alcohol, then you could leave a bottle of it handy at your desk instead of having to get out your chair. You know, that's just effort. So I'm pop some Alaska on, and now before curing, you can see it instantly goes bubbly. So making sure I cover all the white bits. Everywhere else is fine because that's cured. And then that's going to go in the lamp. We're going to wipe it. And then we are going to do... My brain just stopped working then. We're going to take clear builder gel again, and we're going to do a slip layer. So we're going to do a thin, sort of medium, what you can see, that kind of thickness. First, don't cure it, and then we're going to go on and build and encapsulate everything, so we get rid of all the lumps and bumps that we've made with the products so far. So where was I? I was telling you about my drunken escapades. Escapades is a bit much. I was really butchering some songs, singing really loudly, playing music loudly, and decided to send a clip of myself singing to... I'm just holding that upside down to help the apex and gravity do its thing, and then it will go in the lamp. I decided to send one of my clients, who is a classically trained singer and singing teacher, a clip of me singing Vienna by Billy Joel, which is a song I'm obsessed with at the moment. I'm like 50 years late. And she messaged and she was like, it's lovely, babe. It really wasn't. And then in the morning I was like, oh, why did I do it? Never mind. She's heard it now. So that was buffed, filed to refine it and everything to make it all nice and smooth. And now we are topping with diamond gloss, of course. And that's it. It's had a cure, I think. Some seamless editing as usual. And that is it. This would look so... I really want to do a rainbow one with different colour fruits. That's I'm going to do it at some point. But it's really fun to do, and it's easy because you can just be messy. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel for lots more videos. These are from Diamond Glitters again, diamondglitters.co.uk. You can use code TEAMDG for a discount. That little gadget gizmo is also from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.